Bayraktar Akinci, how Turkey is becoming a global drone superpower.
The Akinci can fly at an altitude of up to 40,000 feet and is making waves on the international arms export market. Ankara has been positioning itself to become a drone exporting powerhouse in recent years. Notably, the nation holds more than half of the world's medium-altitude combat unmanned aerial vehicle, or UAV, export market, unexpectedly surpassing the United States and China in this regard. Turkey's growing dominance in the drone industry is in part achieved via some of its big-name manufacturers, like Baykar. Perhaps best recognized for its TB2 lethal UAV design, which has been used consistently by Ukraine in the ongoing Russian invasion, Baykar is a rising star in the UAV arena. Most recently, Baykar's homegrown Bayraktar Akinci achieved a new milestone. According to reports, the homegrown unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UCAV, demonstrated precision strike capabilities during live fire tests. As part of the test, the area weapon deployed both Kai-30 and Bozok smart munitions. Footage of the demonstration was published by Baykar on its X account. The Turkish Akinci UCAV initially debuted back in 2019 at the Teknofest Istanbul Aviation, Space, and Technology Festival in Ankara. 1 month later, the lethal drone completed its first engine test, followed by a series of technical tests that resulted in the drone's incorporation into Turkey's Air-Field Command. By 2021, the Akinci successfully completed its first firing test, which used domestically manufactured munitions provided by the Turkish company Rokistan. The Akinci's advanced specs and capabilities will undoubtedly contribute to the nation's drone prowess on the export market. As detailed by an Atlantic Council report, the Akinci is an interesting example as it illustrates how the Turkish DTIB is evolving around high-end platforms. Akinci's weapon systems configuration, featuring Turkey's first aeroballistic missile, TRG-230 and a standoff missile, SOM, baseline of cruise missiles, transforms the platform into a deep strike asset. The high-altitude, long-endurance Hail drone can also fly up to 40,000 feet out of the engagement envelope of short to medium air defense systems. Looming large as one of the most capable platforms in the Turkish export portfolio, Akinci has started to leave a footprint in the international weapons market. If the Akinci soon follows the trajectory of the TB2 UAV series, the aerial weapon will be well on its way to further expanding Ankara's global reach. The TB2's combat performance has specifically contributed to both the Nagorno-Karabakh 2021 conflict between Armenia and Azerbaijan and the ongoing Ukraine war.